lahat ng mga tao sa mundo ay magkakaisa na lahat ng bansa.
Okay. You're kind of like wishing for world peace, ha? parang Miss Universe lang, ha? World peace. All right, nice answer. Bago matapos yung buhay natin, magkaroon na ng world peace. That's a good one. Okay, so next, you need to sing the line, the famous line from Ocampo's jingle. All right? Are you ready? Okay, let me lower my background. Ayan, go ahead. Your turn.
Campos mo, whole family. Campos mo, whole family.
All right. Yung kulang doon actually. All right, very good. Well done. Now, last thing for you to do, Mr. Diego. What's your last name again?
Bagara po.
Diego Bagara. Ayan. So, fill in the blank, okay? Ocampos has been around since
1957.
1957. Yep, you got it right. Congratulations to you. All right, congratulations, Diego Bagara, our winner of the Ocampos Mall Radio Contest. Oh, by the way, dude, taga saan ka?
From Upper Calaklan.
Upper Calaklan, all right. Kamusta naman dyan sa Upper Calaklan?
Okay lang naman po.
Upper pa rin?
Dito ako ngayon dito sa Bigtet na pag. Dito.
Okay. All right. So, congratulations to you. And i-claim mo yung prize mo dun sa sa Ocampos showroom sa Subic International Hotel. Are you familiar with that?
Yes, sir.
Katabi lang nung 7-Eleven, sir. All right?
Saan pong matutinda sir?
Yung Ocampos Mall, Subic Bay Freeport, sa Subic International Hotel. Yung bago nilang showroom, are you familiar with that?
Not yet, sir,
Pero alam mo yung 7-Eleven sa Subic International Hotel, sa harap ng Harbor Point.
Yes, sir. Alam
Ayun, doon po. Katabi lang nung 7-Eleven. Yung Ocampos showroom. Okay? You won the flat iron from Ocampos Mall, Olongapo and Subic Bay Freeport. And plancha, pare ko, namamlansya ka ba?
Yes, sir.
Pagpunta mo ron, ang hahanapin mo si Mr. Richie Plancha. I'm sorry, Palencia pala. Palencia yung apelido. Baka nakikinig si Kuya Richie, magalit sa akin. Ayan, hahanapin mo si Kuya Richie Palencia. Alright?
Valencia po.
Yeah, don't forget to bring an ID, ha? Alright? Okay, congratulations, pare koy.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Okay, finally. So congratulations to our winner for today, Mr. Diego. What's his last name again? Dude, can you text me your last name? I keep forgetting your last name. Diego Bagaran, if I'm not mistaken. You need to bring an ID, okay? Diego Bagaran, congratulations to you. Ako naman, panay ang tanong pero hindi ko na isulat kasi no? Okay, anyways. So, we're gonna be back with more of the answers to the topic of the day. I will be reading your text answers when we return. For the meantime, we're gonna pause for a short break. Bottom of the hour break. We will be right back. Stick around.
Make us a preset on your radio. If we already were, then make us another. Or set us to all of them. Or find cars in parking lots with open windows, hotwire them, and set us as a preset there.
Hey, what are you doing?
Unless you really want to.
ROCK
89.5
rocks.
Hello.
This is the station that plays the best music variety.
Great music, great selection.
I like the variety. My variety.
This is
Subic Bay's most favorite radio station.
89.5 FM.
Hello, this is Eric Nash. Remember, no driving under the influence of alcohol or prohibited substances.
In Subic Bay Freeport, traffic rules are strictly enforced. A safety reminder from Corporate Communication, LED, and this station.